What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrench Out Experiment. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure to hit that button down below. We're getting ready to go on a little adventure. This is going to be probably a short movie. I don't know yet, but let's get going. We are here in Portland. We got a very short amount of time checking out the hotel room as we just got here. We got a pretty nice room. They actually upgraded us because they put us in the wrong room originally. We have a nice setup over here. We've got the bed, and then we do have the swimming pool and hot tub located out there. It is in the mid 70s today, so it's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna try to get some shots. Everything just depends on how much energy we have. Traveled all night long, but the point of this is I've been posting a lot of videos on travel gear and all of that, and I just again got here and I want to show you guys something real quick. So I threw this bag, as I said before, in there. I have this was in my carry-on. So the batteries for this, some GoPros, some adapters and whatnot, and then of course in the bag itself, let me show you. We've got extra lenses, microphones, so forth and so on, and then I do have my GoPro gimbal. I'm gonna try to make the most of this because I'm only here for a day, so let's see how much we can show. Alright guys, so our trip here in Portland, it's really quick. I'm here on business. I didn't get out and do as much as I wanted. Yesterday was a super long day, so I ended up going to the hotel. I drove around for a little bit. Traffic was really bad, so went and ate dinner, so forth and so on. But I got up early this morning and thought I would hit on a few sites and talk about something that's super cool for us here at the Wrench Out Experiment. So let's keep moving here. So I am here at, there we go. I'm here at the Stone House in Forest Park here in Portland, Oregon. It's really cool to see this thing. Hike down to it out of the, I guess the middle of Forest Park. You just pull off, walk down here. But it's pretty cool to see this thing. Anyways, so we hike down here. And I'm gonna try to get some more shots and get some more footage. But check this out though, it's pretty wicked. Obviously the roof and what's not's gone. You've got all this foliage kind of growing in. Really cool to see. But a cool thing for the Wrench Out Experiment is we passed our 100,000 views. By the time this video comes out, it had been, probably a week or something like that. But super cool. We want to thank you guys for tuning in. We've got a lot of great new footage coming. We are changing the channel up, and we're going to start trying to at minimum drop one video, hopefully go up to 2, 3, 4, 5. But we've got a lot of really cool and creative things that we're going to start working on, sharing some tips and tricks with you guys. We're going to dive into more or less, I think, more lifestyle-esque stuff to where bring you guys on our adventures, because our big slogan is no adventure, no story. and that is simply the truth. I look at the Red Start experiment where we've got to start going more places, and every place I've been to, I start learning so much more. And with growth, a lot of things change. We've changed a lot, the way we shoot videos, the way we edit videos, and so much more. Not only that, but we have also changed the way we do our trips and our visits, and a lot of other really cool things. But we've got all this stuff. We've also got a lot of really cool up and coming videos that we're working on, and then hopefully this thing will start evolving into this. Plus we want to do some short films. I've got a buddy of mine that I'm going to work on that with, and we've got a ton of projects, but it's one of those things to where you got to put the work in and just be relentless about it until it starts building up to these bigger blocks. That's what we're doing. But I wanted to make the most of being here in Portland and just look at this scenery. You know, the beautiful trees, beautiful creek but beside us. Sitting at the stone house is just amazing. It starts to make you think like how old it was, what was going on in the world at that time. So anyways, this is a quick video. Hopefully I'll be able to get out to a couple of the spots while I'm here. You guys will be able to tell I do have a handful of hours before I have to make it back to the good old airport to load back up and head back to Alaska. But I did get my gear packed up. I showed you guys that. So just so you know, I threw all my gear that I'm carrying right in there. Just so I can pack it around. I do change stuff in and out, and then of course, like this trip, I forgot to grab my GoPro suction cups, so I didn't do any GoPro car mount footage, and that shit happens. So you just got to overcome it. I freehanded it with this guy, and let's see what else we have going on here. I think I'm gonna hike back to the car, and we'll go find somewhere else cool to go. What's going on, guys? It's Anthony, and we made it over, oops, a little close, made it over to the Japanese park here in good old Portland. Absolutely stunning still here. And anyways, we're gonna go get into go pay admission, walk through a little bit, but we'll show you guys a little bit of this Japanese garden just because it's absolutely beautiful in there. Well worth your time. Let's go check this out. Alright guys, so we are here at Pitcock Mansion. We're gonna go check this out real quick, and then we gotta start making our way toward the airport. I got a couple of places I want to stop, but yeah, we're here. Man, is it a gorgeous day. So let's check this out. I hope you guys enjoyed the Japanese garden. That place was gorgeous. Very cool place to just stop in, walk around, get out of the car, get out of traffic, all of that. But here we are at Pitcock Mansion. This is a historical kind of monument here in Portland. So let's get going. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in to the Portland Supercut video. We appreciate you guys watching it. Make sure hit the subscribe button here on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook.